Alright guys, welcome back. So I will quickly unbox this. If you are a fan of the channel, or anyway a subscriber, you know that I've flown this plane before, and it's a beautiful story. It only lasted about 18 seconds in the air and then landed on a school roof, and then there was a whole story that went with that on how it was recovered and brought back to life. Anyway, since I like this plane so much, here it is again, and this version is, as you can see, white, red, and black, unlike the other one that was mostly gray and black. But it looks in good shape. Hopefully it will fly just as well. This is your typical remote. I don't know if the other one will bind to the same thing. But you've got 4 AA batteries that you need for this, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.